This is the intersection of Spadina and College. A fairly typical intersection for the intersection of two streetcar routes along Spadina, with a ton of track switches that have a 10 km/h speed limit for trams through the intersection, although they actually go often quite a bit less than that. So as you saw, that streetcar entered the intersection quite early in the green and only just barely cleared it. Right direction. They're not allowed to go through the intersection at the same time. So these two streetcars will be on a standoff. So that other operator indicated for this operator to go first. And then once they've crossed the switch, then the second operator can go. And you can on screen all the time how long it takes this streetcar to clear the crosswalk. And although they're allowed to go 10, they actually are often going quite a bit less than that, as you can see here. So this streetcar started pretty much at the start of green, and as you can see, it's already halfway into the east-west phase. So we've got the light is green here, 7 seconds on the flashing note walk. The streetcar enters. Let's see what happens. So it did clear this side before the start of flashing note walk. But how about the other side? No. So the other side was already in flashing note walk, and it's going to clear it now. So yeah, those pedestrians actually missed the entire walk. So this is correct. There's actually 15 seconds left of green. Let's see if the streetcar tries it. Yeah, they are going to try it. But again, this is causing issues with the pedestrian phases. But yeah, that side is already in solid don't walk unnecessarily. Gonna walk. Oh, I see. It was a Carlton streetcar. So this is what TSP is used for adding that extra signal phase in for turning streetcars. So what the vertical bar means in Toronto is that streetcars or buses can turn left or right, but they are not allowed to go straight. So you can see in this case, that vertical bar came up, actually it comes up at the same time on both sides to allow streetcars to turn left simultaneously, but you can see why you wouldn't want streetcars to be going straight